Hey guys, welcome to my channel Unusual Creates. Today I'm going to show you how I created these stone textured flower vases by using some baking soda and some paint. This is not a new technique and it has been around for quite some time. It's a very simple DIY which honestly requires probably like half an hour. But before I give you more details, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and have your notifications on to get regular updates. Now let's start creating. I'm starting by mixing some latex paint with some baking soda. I'm taking about 3 tablespoons of this paint and I'm initially mixing it with less than a tablespoon of the baking soda. This is the baking soda that we use for cleaning purpose and not the one that we use for cooking purposes. Give it a good mix. Our aim here is to make a good paste of the soda and the paint. So I'm adding some more soda to this mixture till I am happy with the consistency of this paste. I think I used around a little more than a tablespoon of the baking soda for this size of a vase. A little goes a long way, so don't add too much of the soda or paint. The more you add the soda, the grittier and fluffier the mixture will get and you will have trouble working with the paste. Make sure that you give a good coating of this paste. Work with light hands so that you don't drag the paste around. Once it is beginning to dry, say after like 3 to 4 minutes, move the brush on the surface of the vase with light hands. This will create some rough lines all around the vase and will give it a more pottery kind of look. Please don't use a heavy hand while doing this step or you will move the paint around, which we definitely do not want. I did the same thing with some other vases too, but this time I decided to use some acrylic paint and the results were almost identical. Decide whatever colors that you want to use and mix it with the baking soda and paint it on the vase. In my view, neutral colors looks the best, but I did try a green one too just to see how it would look. Next, I decided to see if this paste works on vases that have some patterns or designs on it and whether the pattern will remain visible once I apply this paste. I must say that this hack does work on these kinds of vases too, but you have to use a lot of this paste to make sure that you get into those grooves. Maybe the results may differ if you have more subtle designs on the vase. I also decided to see whether this hack would work on ceramics. I couldn't film the process, but this is what it looked like in the end. As you can see, the results were not great for me, but I like the rough look of the vase, so I decided to keep it. Having said that, it doesn't mean that this method doesn't work on ceramics, as I have seen people trying it on ceramic vases too, and it did turn out pretty well for them. There are many possibilities with this DIY. Now you can use chalk paint too if that's what you have. You can change the texture of most of the materials like metals, glass, ceramics, plastic, etc. by using this simple mixture. You can replace baking soda with baking powder and the results would be similar. You can work with different combinations and continue with what you like the best. Just grab some vases from your nearby thrift stores or simply use the ones that you already have at your place and give it a new stone kind of look. I had even applied some of the leftover paste on an empty wine bottle and the result was pretty great. So in case you don't have vases around, you can also try this method on some empty bottles too and give them a new stone kind of look. Let me know what you think of this quick and easy DIY. Feel free to write your questions or views in the comment section below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will talk to you soon with my next DIY. Till then, take care and stay safe.